In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on adaptive power on your iPhone. Let's get into the method. This will only be available on iPhones that support Apple Intelligence. Open the Settings app first, and then scroll down and choose Battery from the list. Within here, tap on Power Mode, and now you can use the toggle switch next to adaptive power to turn it on. You can also choose to enable or disable the adaptive power notifications and read more about what adaptive power does below. That's how to turn on adaptive power on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.